Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. In this video, I am going to discuss the salary structure of CBI IT Scale 2 Law Officer post. So what will be your in-hand salary? I'll also show you a salary slip, and using that we'll try to understand what will be your final in-hand pay when you join as a Scale 2 officer in Central Bank of India in IT stream. First of all, a look at the important dates. Opening date for online registration has started from 28th of October and will last up to 19th of November. The tentative date for exam is 3rd or 4th week of December. Then in information technology, you have 4 scales in which there are vacancies. Scale 5 has 1 vacancy. Then you have scale 3. Scale 3 has 6 vacancies. Then you have scale 2 with 73 vacancies and scale 1 with 15 vacancies. So a lot of vacancies are there for information technology post. You can check these details. You can check the eligibility criteria from the notification. I have already discussed that in detail in my previous video. The pay scale that is mentioned in the recruitment PDF is for various scales. For GMG scale 1 to scale 5, the scale of pay is given. Basic pay is 36,000 for scale 1, 48,170 for scale 2, 63,840 for scale 3, and so on. Here I am going to show you a scale 2 law officer salary slip. All the employees in the same scale usually get the salary in the same range, provided there are not much deductions, and the deductions will depend upon the loan that you have taken, upon various other factors, upon the city that you are living in, house rent, accommodation that you owe. So all these factors will decide your in-hand pay. But as per this salary slip, this is a pay slip for the month of December. This is a latest pay slip. Also, please note, from November 2022, the revision in the pay scale of banking employees is pending. Right now, employee union is in discussion with the Indian Banking Association over the increment, over the revision in the pay scale, which, whenever decided, will be applicable from November 2022. So as per this, for December 2022, the basic pay was 48,170 as we have seen. There was learning allowance DA, special allowance basic, then special allowance DA, city compensatory allowance and dearness allowance, making a total gross pay of 80,125 rupees. Then looking at the deductions: accommodation, HRA, death relief fund, contributory pension scheme, professional tax, income tax, all these other deductions from this employee's salary. Total deduction amounts to 10,421 and the net pay is 69,703. This is without all the allowances that are given, the additional allowances. In addition to that, on a monthly basis, there is petrol allowance, cleaning allowance, newspaper allowance, mobile bill reimbursement allowance. Then there is annual medical allowance, annual entertainment allowance, there is bag purchase, mobile purchase allowance once in 3 years. Leave fare concession is there once in every 4 years. There is leased accommodation which the bank pays on your behalf, and if you are not opting for that, you will get HRA. So there are a lot of other benefits. If you come to the gross pay, as you can see here, the gross pay is 80,125. So your monthly gross pay after adding all the allowances will fall somewhere around 95,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Here, if you want to know more about this exam, how to prepare for this exam, you can check the exam pattern, and also you can join the workshop by Jayanti ma'am. Jayanti ma'am is conducting a free workshop for Central Bank of India IT Specialist Recruitment for all these scales. You can know about this. All you have to do is register for this workshop. The registration link is present in the description below. This workshop is scheduled for tomorrow, 29th of October, Sunday at 3 p.m. Make the best use of knowledge that she has to share with you. She was there when the exam was in 2021 as well. She was there to guide the students, to help the students along the journey, and you can take the benefit of her experience of this exam. You'll find the registration link in the description. I hope you join this workshop. If you have any queries, you can also mention them there so that Jayanti ma'am can answer your queries, can answer your doubts in the workshop. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. For any queries, any doubts, offerings with respect to the CBI IT Central Bank of India IT course, you can reach out to us on this number. Subscribe to our channel, stay tuned. Thank you.